Hey everyone, welcome back to Cesar's Urban TV Vlog, your go-to space for all things green, sustainable, and delicious right from your backyard. Today we're diving into the hidden gem of the backyard garden, the corn pepper. These tiny, vibrant peppers may look small, but they pack a punch in flavor, color, and benefits.
In today's video content, you will know the benefits of why you should grow corn pepper in your backyard. In addition, I will be sharing to you my 2 potted seedlings of corn pepper that I will be transplanting to the ground in my backyard. So I hope it will survive the summer. Let us dig in. First, what is corn pepper? Corn pepper, often called chile de maíz in some regions, is a miniature ornamental chili that resembles corn kernels. Don't be fooled by their size. These peppers can be sweet or fiercely spicy, depending on the variety. 2. Why grow corn pepper at home? Here's why it's worth adding corn pepper to your garden lineup. 1. High yield in small spaces. Even in containers, these compact plants produce dozens, sometimes hundreds, of tiny peppers. 2. Heat and drought tolerant. They thrive in full sun and don't mind dry spells, making them perfect for urban gardeners. 3. Edible and ornamental. With their bright red, yellow, or orange fruits, corn peppers double as a beautiful decoration and spicy snack. 4. Long shelf life. Once harvested, these peppers dry easily, making them perfect for spice mixes or winter cooking.
Ito na yung seedlings ko na pepper. Yan, makikita po ninyo. At katatanggal ko lang sa pot dito. Ayan, dito nang galing yan. At ayan, marami na siyang ugat. At ang dalawang klase ang pole na gagawin natin, no, mga ka-Urban TV Vlog. Unang-una itong kakawate, yan, kakawate yan. Ayan yung permanent pole na magiging sasampahan o iikutan ng black pepper seedling, no. Yan yung mga vine niya, kasi ang black pepper po vine niya, no. Kaya ayan yung permanente niyang sasampahan at iikutan, kakapitan yan. Tapos ito namang pole na to na PVC pipe ay temporary lang, kasi medyo mahaba-haba na siya. Kaya temporary lang na sasampahan niya yan, yung kakapitan niya yan. Tatalian natin mamaya yan. Kaya temporary yan. Habang itong permanent ay hindi pa lumalaki o hindi pa nagiging matured, kasi lalaki yan, tataas yan. Ayan ang magiging kakapitan niya, yung ating seedling. Kaya ayan, binuhusan ko na rin to ng itong lupa ng mga banana peel na pinagputol-putol na binabad ko sa tubig. Ito yun, no. Ayan, didiligan din natin yan. Okay, kaya ito yung susunod ko na tatanggalin na sa paso at ililipat. Pagsasabay-sabayin ko yan, dalawa na yan. Ayan, dyan. Mahal lang po ninyo ako, mga ka-Urban TV Vlog. Okay, tingnan na natin sa okay. Yun. Transplant na natin doon sa opposite ng lugar na yan, dyan. Transplant na. Tabunan na natin ang lupa to. Okay. Ito hindi natin gagalawin ng ugat nito. Tabunan lang natin siya ng lupa para hindi maano yung ugat. Diligyan muna natin ng fertilizer. Ayan. Okay. Ito yung garden soil to. Ayan. Tabunan na natin. Yan. Okay na. Talian natin ngayon dito. Ito. Yan, talian natin yan dyan. Paakyat. Hanggang taas. Yan. Ano yung kakawate yan. Ayan yung talagang magandang kape. Muli, maraming salamat sa patuloy niyong suporta sa aking YouTube channel on Cesar's Urban TV Vlog. And special shout out kay Janet Escueta, kay Abdullahi Ahmad, Reggie 143, kay James Austin, Luca Boyce, kay Roberto De Robles, kay Lita Ratei, Tak Yong Wong, kay Ibrahim Nayabuga, kay Gumiziray Steady, kay Posable 1, kay Juan de la Cruz TV, kay Bidal Auntie, at kay Carmen Zone, and also Toyin Segun Samuel, kay Marilyn Ragindin, and also for Cathy Kate B. Short, kay Christine MB, also for Swank 19, and Micaela Mignano, and also for Freeman Rolye, and Jonathan Tan. Also shout out to Aghilini M. and Rene Garban. Shout out to Paul Judy and Rosemary Prudhomme. Also to Metab Singh Sanju and Patrina Smith as well. Special shout out to Carol Colimo and Tola Chan, and also to Grand Marnier, to Muhammad Ashraf, to Egmedio Dakles. Special shout out to Cool Ray and Sutsare Odika. Also special shout out to Kao Bimabong, Cesar Diaz, David Sewell, John June Tandok, J. Delphine, to Gideon Carian, to Crystal Ramos, Baguio Black 6 Dumang, to Cesar Bangasan. Special shout out to Baisani Shawarma, also to Nay Anwar Official, Special shout out to Amin's Tropical Gardening, also to Said Atire. Special shout out to Kai Marie Chanel, Sandra Jacobs, also to Hattie Robinson, and also to Bebe Tabat. Special shout out to Mr. Pakitong Kitong, Jimmy Jimenez, and also for John Camacho. Special shout out to Cassandra Montero, and also to Eileen Carupo and Natiria in Japan. Special shout out to Connie Guts and Maximo Ballesteros. Special shout out to Marisa Andres and Gina Benaventura. Special shout out to Gabs Kahilig and Alea Cute. Special shout out to Alexandra Lipschitz and PJ Bell. Special shout out to Chillbox and Ran De Castro. Special shout out to Ito Ang Latest and Rai K. Special shout out to Hello Maya J7, to Lace Leonora, to Modesto Sales, to Ronel Pangilinan. Special shout out to Biyahe ni Carterong Turista. Special shout out to Manur Aisha. Special shout out to Iam Steve and Randy Chan, to Jonah Balon and Abdul Alcurin. Special shout out to Mark Joaquin Tionloc, to Malin Boncha. If you are not yet subscribed to this channel, kindly support and do not forget to hit the notification button so you will be updated for new video vlogs.